Hi, I'm Dr. Duane Grummons, and it's my privilege to team up with Great Lakes so we can bring lectures and seminars to the city near you, and we'll have new information and key information about clear aligners and success in your practice.
Pre-aligners allow you to utilize clear aligners for more cases and to treat those cases more quickly.
We're going to emphasize the people, the product, the service, the process, and the whole experience for the patients. We want you to step up and stand out in their eyes. And when they leave the practice and go out in the community, they will be an advocate for your practice and you will thrive.
Pre-aligner therapy strategies were among key reasons that patients chose my practice for treatment. In my own practice, we saw 90% conversion rates for youth and 80% conversion rates for adults.
You will learn what the doctor has to know about leadership, leading by example and more than that, and then how you pass this on to your team so they buy in, and then they can help you create the experience and the high quality that you want your practice to represent and deliver. Certainly there's a concern about the economics of bringing clear aligners into your practice. I mean, there's a lab cost, there's training of the staff, a whole different delivery process, but there's also a great efficiency and profitability that happens.
Clear aligners are 2 times the value per visit compared to braces procedures. Clear aligners require 1/3 of your clinical schedule time compared to braces. Clear aligners require half of your staff time compared to braces.
And key to that is to learn about the pre-aligner therapies. What that means is orthopedics to develop the jaws, expanders to unlock and upright arches, developing space in the arches, unlocking the contacts, making it so that when we get to the aligner series, there are fewer aligners necessary to complete the process. We want to keep our promises to deliver the aesthetic result, the best functional result, a nice finish, and then something that's stable and leaves the patient happy with the process. So register now and come and join us to learn the smart ways to grow your practice and integrate clear aligners for success. Come with your staff, and we look forward to covering a lot of material and learning a lot together. I look forward to meeting you personally.